Overcurrent room settings, part 2. In time section, first the injection time before fault in pre-fault time is entered. In tests such as directional, whereby injecting voltage, PTS, draw in rush current, by checking ramp in pre-fault you can create a ramp voltage and prevent device errors. Note that checking this option is only possible for directional tests or in conditions determined in voltage output section. In maximum fault time, the maximum fault injection time is specified in the form of absolute or relative, which itself includes 3 sections. Note that if the time is specified in maximum fault time is shorter than time of the trip time of the shot point, result of the evaluation will be wrong. If you are using maximum fault time absolute field, you need to enter a time in terms of seconds for the maximum fault signal injection time. But to increase the speed of the test, you can use maximum fault time relative. By checking this option, 3 other options appear. By entering a number in add percentage of tnom, the fault signal injection time in each point equals the test point nominal time plus a percentage of the nominal time entered in this field. This means that if the test point's nominal time is 10 seconds and 5% is entered in this field, the maximum fault injection time 1.05 equals the test nominal time, which is 10.5 seconds. But in add absolute field, the fault injection time is entered as a sum of the test point trip nominal time plus the time entered in this field. For points which are in no trip area, it is possible to enter a separate time in no trip time field. If you enter the time in these 4 fields, the software will consider the longest time. Post-fault time is entered in post-fault time. Delay after trigger is used for specifying the trigger time of the intended key and by right-clicking of the related field and selecting Go to linked value. You can see that it is linked to CB trip time, and if necessary, by selecting Remove Link, you can enter your desired value instead. By selecting Fault Inception in Time Reference, the trip time from the fault injection time is calculated. But by selecting Starting the trip time is calculated from when the pickup contact is received from the relay. In Load Current section, it is possible to adjust the settings related to pre-fault phase and current. By selecting Based on Current radio button in Amplitude section, the pre-fault current is entered in ampere, which is the same for all other test points. But by selecting Based on iFault, the pre-fault current is entered in fault current, which is different for every shot point. You can use phase section for the angle between current and voltage in pre-fault. By selecting the Based on Degree radio button, it is possible to specify the voltage current angle in degrees, which is the same for all other test points. But by selecting Same as Fault Angle, the angle between current and voltage in pre-fault will be the same with fault, which is different for every shot point. In Other Settings section, by checking First Run Pickup Drop-Off if you have multiple pickup drop-off and shot test points. First, the pickup drop-off test is performed, otherwise, shot test is performed first. By checking Continue Last State Amplitude in Pickup Drop-Off test, instead of starting from pickup end, the decreasing ramp will start from where the relay performed the pickup. In Pass setting, by checking Pass if Get Any Trip, if any trip is received from the relay, the test result will be Pass.